Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree?
Yes.
Co-creation at its best. We see you have dragged your physical bodies here, and your inner beings have come along. The room is more full than you know. Do not tell the fire marshal. Oh, there are a perfect number of physical bodies. We're talking about how crammed the space is with the rest of us. Eager to play with you, eager to remind you that we are always around you, eager to experience your now with you, your powerful now. The moment when the convergence of you and all that you are happens now, not just in this room, in every now. You are extensions of source energy, equal partners in this non-physical consciousness, playing your part in this leading edge contrast in order to come to new awarenesses of more and of better. And as life causes you to focus yourself into those awarenesses, into those new desires, then your inner being, that non-physical consciousness, moves forward with you immediately into your newest idea. Moves forward immediately into your newest idea long before you move forward into your newest idea. You often have a sort of gap. The rocket of desire shoots forth. Sometimes you're not even aware that it has happened because you're still beating the drum of what has caused you to know that you want it. But it has emanated from you just the same, and it has begun its own attraction power on your behalf. So when you ask for anything, no matter what it is, it begins to become immediately, and your inner being stands with it and holds the vision of it, holds the knowing of it, holds the expectation of it. Some of you are becoming aware of the most powerful law in the universe, really the only law that we talk much about, and that's the law of attraction. And as you stand in your physical body, you're becoming more and more aware that you get what you think about, you get what you talk about, you get how you feel, because through life and through observation you practiced thoughts, and those thoughts become beliefs, and those beliefs become your point of attraction, and your point of attraction is represented in every aspect. The way you feel just keeps showing up. If you're confident, it shows. If you're afraid, it shows. If you're a worrywart, it shows. If you are strong and secure and stable, it shows. If you believe in well-being, it shows. If you believe in not well-being, it shows. In other words, you get what you think about, whether you want it or not. In the early days, Esther argued with us, but Abraham, this thing that you don't think I should be thinking about is a true thing. So shouldn't I give it my at least courtesy? Shouldn't I at least be willing to be objective enough to acknowledge its reality? And we said, yes, of course, if you want it to be your reality too. If you want to practice the vibration by observing something unwanted until that's what you're emitting, and so that's what you're attracting, then of course you have the freedom to do that. But if we were standing in your physical shoes, we would not be giving any air time, which means any attention time, which means any vocal time, which means any conversation time to unwanted things, because that's how you keep them coming. You've been listening to us for a while? We can feel that you have. We can feel a strong basis of understanding in this room. And therefore, we think it's time to just move on into some new things, don't you? We are eager to go with you into places that no one has been before, into new clarity, new understanding, and new sustaining of the joyful momentum that you were born to live. So let's get right to it. What are you, important to you? What do you want to talk about?